MagicForm Review and Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel Web Quiz. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use MagicForm. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to magicform.ai. And if you haven't signed up for MagicForm yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know MagicForm, it is an AI-powered conversational platform designed to enhance user engagement and boost conversions for businesses, in which it works by utilizing advanced AI technology such as ChatGPT to interact with website visitors and provide accurate and human-like responses to customers' queries. And this platform is versatile and can be used in various scenarios, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. And some of the features that this platform provides including AI-powered, no-code platform, and drag-and-drop builder. And now to access this platform, they also offer a pricing plan that you can avail. We have here Starter, Pro, and also the Enterprise plan. And you will see here the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the frequently asked question about this platform. And on each question, by simply clicking on it, it will show you below the corresponding answer. Including this question, it is powered by GPT-4. How many agents can I have on Enterprise plan? Another kind of question with the corresponding answers. And now to get started using this platform, just click this button below here, Get Started to proceed. And after signing in, you will be directed on this dashboard of MagicForm. And you will see on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here agents, customize, knowledge, launch, journeys, and many more. Well, by clicking the onboarding checklist on the top right corner, it will show you the basic training and the step-by-step process on how to set up or create your own conversational platform design. And as you can see here, the first thing that we need to do is to upload company knowledge. And to do that, kindly click the knowledge option on the left side panel. And upon clicking on it, it will show you the two options, which is upload knowledge and learn knowledge. And under upload knowledge, all you need to do is to enter a website to scan. So let's say I'm going to enter here a website, magicform.ai, and proceed by clicking the scan button to proceed. And on the results below, kindly proceed by clicking on it or selecting it. And after that, just click the button Scan Selected Pages. And upon doing so, you will be directed on here, and it will show you that this website is now active. So that means you can now proceed on the next step since you have now successfully uploaded the knowledge. And by clicking the onboarding checklist right here, the next thing that we need to do is to customize information to gathered from leads. And upon clicking on this step, it will show you how to do it. And it says here that the first thing that you need to do is to open Customize tab. And after that, you can now start customizing some of the details. By clicking on this Customize option, you will see here the question that you could also customize and even the intro message that you can change. And as you can see, this is the list of questions for the AI to ask or the flow of conversation. And you can even change the flow of it or the structure of conversation. So for instance, I'm going to change the structure of this name and I'm going to input it below the three corresponding questions. So that means after the customers or the visitors try to answer all of these questions, they will now have to enter their name, email, phone number, and other fields. And now, after arranging the flow of conversation, if you want to add a custom question, you can do so by turning this on. And aside from that, you could also change the intro message by simply clicking this pencil icon right here. However, since this intro message is now considered as formal one, I'm just going to stick with it and proceed under the instruction section, in which from here you can customize the approach upon answering the inquiries or question of customers or visitor. And as you can see, we have here personality, in which you can change to caring, determined, or friendly, which by choosing friendly, that means you are kind, relaxed, helpful AI person in charge of the customer's experience. While under the purpose of it, you can choose either support, sales, or even both purposes. While under the call to action, you could also select either special offer, demo, free consultation, and web form. And aside from that, under additional instructions, you can enter any additional instruction, rules, or prompts for the AI to use throughout the conversation. And now moving on, under look and feel, from here you can customize a lot of things, including the color, the delay pop-up of your reply, the title of it, subtitle, placeholder, the size of chat widget, and any other details. So for instance, I'm going to change the color, and also under the title, I'm going to change it to live chat now. While under the subtitles, I'm going to stick on this one, which is typically response in 5 seconds. However, under the placeholder, instead of type a message, I'm going to change it into ask your question. And after that, below, you could also enter the measurement of your chat widget height and width that you prefer. And you could also click view live on my site and just click go button below to see the update changes. But before that, I'm just going to save the changes below here in order to save all of the things that I just customized. And after that, we can now go under the identity section, in which below here you could also customize the agent name and also the website for demo. Now moving on to the automation section. From here, by entering an email, you can send a new lead notification to the following emails that you enter here. And you can even assign a default journey and also trigger Zapier or trigger webhook in order to enable users to automate the process of dispatching pre-populated forms by connecting it with Zapier or webhook. And now, just click the save button to proceed to the next step. And to see to the next step, just click the onboarding checklist on the top right corner. And as you can see here, we have now done customized information to gather new leads. And also, we are done fine-tune the AI's instructions, which is to customize personality, purpose, and call to action. And now, the next thing that we need to do is to click the view a live demo and to test our first test conversation. And in order to do that, all we need to do is to go back again to Customize tab on the left side panel, and under Look and Feel, just proceed by clicking View Live on My Site button, just click Go, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this next tab, and it will show you a pop-up window or widget, and from here you can now start asking your question. And you will also see here some of the things that we just customized, including the placeholder that says ask your question. So I'm going to ask a question, which is, what can you offer? And as you can see, it is now trying to reply, but the delay pop-up that we just input is 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, it will show us the results of our question, in which these answers is also based on the knowledge that we just upload or scan. And now, if you also want to add additional info, so for instance, I'm going to change the pop-up delay. Instead of 5 seconds, I'm going to make it 3 seconds. And just click Save Changes to proceed. And after that, just go back to this live demo, and you can ask a different kind of question that you prefer. And this is very helpful since MagicForm uses advanced AI technology to understand, learn, and respond to customers' queries effectively and human-like. So that is just how you can use MagicForm. Thank you.